How to make slow-mo videos on Instagram Reels. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make slow-mo videos on Instagram Reels. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram app, let's first visit the App Store over here and search for Instagram. This is to check if our Instagram is currently updated. So as you can see, it shows an update button. That means that my Instagram is currently outdated. So just tap on the update button if it shows for you too, so that you will have the latest features within the app. Assuming that I am now done updating my Instagram app, I'm just going to go ahead and open up Instagram right here. And you can either be at your profile page or at your home page to start making a reel. So just click on this plus button over here, but I'm just gonna make it from my profile page. So click on this plus icon at the top right corner of the screen and click on reel. So from here, if you want to make slow-mo videos, you just simply click on this speed option right here. So the icon is currently 1 times. Just click on that and you will have many options, 0.3 times, 0.5 times. And this is actually signifies the speed that you want for your videos. So for slow-mo videos, you may want to set it at either 0.5 times or 0.3 times. So for example, I'm going to record at 0.5 times. I'm just going to record real quick. And as you can see, the video is in slow-mo. So you can also do it at 0.3 times. So just click on the speed option again and you can just record as you like. And just click on next if you want to see the result. And that is how you can basically make slow-mo videos on Instagram Reels. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.